Then mutarotation, when D-glucose is crystallized at room temperature and a fresh solution is prepared, its specific rotation of polarized light is 112 degree, but after 12 to 18 hours it changes to plus 52.5 degree. Mutarotation is defined as the change in a specific optical rotation representing the interconversion of a alpha and beta form of D-glucose to an equilibrium mixture. Their example is also there alpha D glucopyranones and beta D glucopyranones. Glucose and fructose has two anomers alpha and beta, alpha D fructofuranones and beta D fructofuranones. Properties of monosaccharides. Physical property: monosaccharides are colorless, crystalline compound, readily soluble in water and sweet in taste. These solutions are optically active and exhibit mutarotation. Then chemical properties. In that, first one, reduction or alcohol formation. When treated with a reducing agent such as sodium amalgam, hydrogen can reduce sugar. Aldehydes yield corresponding alcohol. Ketones form a 2-alcohol because of appearance of a new asymmetric carbon in this process. D-glucose, then D-sorbitol, D-fructose, D-sorbitol plus D-mannose. Their reaction is also there. D-glucose get reducted into D-glucositol, means sorbitol. Oxidation or acid formation. Upon oxidation, aldose sugar like glucose yield carboxylic acid. The aldehyde group is oxidized to carboxyl group to produce respective acids. That is example D-glucose, D-gluconic acid, D-glucuronic acids. First D-glucose get converted into D-glucuronic acid and afterward with reaction of nitric acid get converted into glucarinic acids. Then after aldehyde get reduction into alcohol and oxidation into carboxylic acid. Formation of ester. Hydroxyl group of sugars can be esterified to form acetates, propionates, benzoates. Sugar phosphate are of great biological importance. The metabolism of sugar inside the body starts with a phosphorylation. Example glucose 6-phosphate. Formation of oxazone. This test is given by reducing sugar like glucose, fructose, lactose and maltose. In this test, phenylhydrazine is reduced to phenylhydrazone by sugar solution. Phenylhydrazone, when heated with a more amount of phenylhydrazine, form yellow crystals of oxazone. The reaction is given here. Oxazone, D-glucose with equivalent to phenylhydrazine hydrochloride get converted into oxazone form, and D-fructose in 3 equivalent phenylhydrazine hydrochloride get converted into also oxazone. Furfural formation or dehydration. Monosaccharides when treated with a concentrated H2SO4 undergoes dehydration with the removal of 3 molecules of water. Hexoses gives hydroxymethyl furfural and pentoses give furfural. Furfurals condense with a phenolic compounds to give various colors. Example Mollis test, general test for carbohydrates, that is sulfuric acid and alpha naphthol. Rapid furfural and Selvinov test for presence of keto group. In this reaction, D-glucose get converted into hydroxymethyl furfural in presence of concentrated H2SO4. Then tautomerization or enediol formation or enolization. In mild alkaline solution, carbohydrates containing a free aldehyde or keto group of anomeric carbon atom. Now we discuss with disaccharides. When two monosaccharides similar or dissimilar are combined together by glycosidic linkage, a disaccharide is formed. All are isomers with a molecular formula C12H22 or O11. On hydrolysis, they yield two monosaccharides which soluble in water. Even though they are soluble in water, they are too large to pass through the cell membrane. There are two types, non-reducing and reducing. Non-reducing example sucrose, terralose, sucrose in cane sugar and terralose in yeast. Then reducing lactose in milk sugar and maltose in malt sugar. Then condensation and hydrolysis, that is forming and breaking glycosidic linkage or bond. The OH group that is most reactive in a monosaccharide is the one on the anomeric carbon. When this hydroxyl group reacts with another hydroxyl group on another monosaccharides, a glycosidic bond is formed. During this reaction, a monosaccharide of water is eliminated as two molecules join. Example is given: monosaccharides like alpha D glucose reacted with alpha D glucose, it get converted into a disaccharide containing 2 D glucose units, that is maltose, with the help of glycosidic bond formed in alpha position. Then condensation reaction is a type of reaction that occurs when two molecules are joined and a water molecule is produced. This type of reaction is referred to as a dehydration reaction. Condensation reactions occur between different types of functional group that contain an hydrogen in a polar bond like OH or NH and an OH group that can be removed to form water. Hydrolysis reaction is a reverse of condensation reaction. A larger molecules forms two smaller molecules and water is consumed as this reaction, condensation and hydrolysis. Condensation when two molecules form one, and hydrolysis from that one molecule from two. In this case of maltose, the glycosidic bond is specified as 1 to 4 and is simply stated as alpha 1 to 4. If the hydroxy group has been in the beta configuration when the glycosidic bond was formed, the bond would be in the beta 1 to 4 configuration. The molecules formed would be named cellobides and would have a different 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional shape than maltose. Example, maltose have 1 to 4 glycosidic linkage and cellobinose has beta 1 to 4 glycosidic bond. Then sucrose means glucose plus fructose. Sucrose is known as table sugar. It is the most abundant disaccharide found in nature. Sucrose is found in sugar cane and sugar beet. The glycosidic bond is a beta 1 to 4. Both anomeric carbon of the monosaccharides is a sugar sucrose are bonded. Therefore, sucrose is a non-reducing sugar. It will not react with a Benedict's reagent. Also, it not form oxazone crystal in oxazone test. When hydrolyzed, it form a mixture of glucose and fructose. Then clinical importance: dental crisis, bypass metabolic checkpoints like obesity. Then sucrose deficiency. Inversion of sucrose. Hydrolysis of sucrose, that is optical rotation is 66.5 degree, will produce one molecule of glucose, that is plus 52.5 degree, and one molecule of fructose minus 92 degree. Therefore, the product will change the dextrotation or levorotation, that is inversion. Equimolecular mixture of glucose and fructose thus formed is called as invert sugar. The enzyme producing hydrolysis of sucrose is called invertase. The sucrose gets converted into glucose plus fructose in presence of enzyme invertase. Then maltose means glucose plus glucose. Maltose is known as malt sugar. Two glucose residue, that is alpha 1 to 4 linkage, and another form is alpha 1 to 6 called as isomaltose. It is formed by the breakdown of starch. Malted barley, a key ingredient in beer, contains high levels of maltose. During germination of barley seeds, the starch goes through hydrolysis to form maltose. This process is held halted by drying and roasting barley seeds prior to their germination. One of the anomeric carbon is free, so maltose is a reducing sugar oxazone taste, that is star shape or flower petal shape. Alpha D maltose have 1 to 4 alpha glycosidic bond. Then lactose means galactose plus glucose. In that, lactose is known as milk sugar. It is found in milk and milk product. The glycosidic bond is 1 to 4, and intolerance to lactose can occur in people who inherit or lose the ability to produce the enzyme lactase that hydrolyzes lactose into its monosaccharides unit. One of the anomeric carbon is free, so lactose is a reducing sugar. Oxazone taste, powder puff or hog shape. See, beta D lactose have beta 1 to 4 glycosidic bond. In that, beta D galactose and glucose unit.